first train sa Japan. Sakit, first train. Ano masasabi mo?
So far, so good.
The next station is Tokyo. The doors on the left side will open.
One day sa Japan. Day 1.
Currently, it's 6:04 and we are going to Myojin Shrine in Kanda. You know what? I think this place is maganda, maraming tao. If hindi lang umulan, you can see the temple, ang ganda-ganda.
So beautiful.
Yeah. I like my hair here. I really like my hair here. Hi, nandito kami ngayon sa Shinjuku Express Bus Terminal and we are waiting for our bus papuntang
Kawaguchi.
Kawaguchi ko.
Ako ba yan?
Oo, Kawaguchi ko.
Hindi ka Kawaguchi mo.
And hopefully makarating kami ng around, you know, after 8.
8:15 daw.
Which is hoping na makita namin si Mount Fuji, visible and less crowd. Mount Fuji.
You must try it. Right? It's like a dream.
Okay, this is our day 5 and papunta kami ng Ashikaga Flower Park.
Get